Greetings everybody and welcome back to the Austin Lindsay channel. Today we are shooting this dopamine living room. Dopamine is kind of like lots of colors, anything kind of like 70s gives you that dopamine high. I guess that's kind of the style that this is. I'm not a stylist, so I don't quite know. But I'm going to show you the lighting, so follow along as I point your face at things that I think you should see. All right, through here we have our key light. This is a Profoto D1. This is a hard light source, and this is creating our hard shadows from the windows, the stiles and rails and all that stuff on the floor and on the wall over here. So that's our light one. I guess everything on this side of the frame, so this is going to be camera left. So I think everything over here is going to be our key light because it's supposed to be looking like sunlight through this window. But this is our main light, our hard light source. And then behind that, we have another, so that's our key light. And then we have another Profoto D1. This is bouncing into a V flat. I can turn this light on here. So this is bouncing into a V flat and then coming through these windows. And this is creating the soft light that would come through the windows, basically light bouncing off the atmosphere and bouncing around in the room. I also have this light here, mostly to kind of block off some of this wood, the light from that from bouncing and kind of warming up the room too much. It didn't do a whole lot of work, but what it did do is provide light back behind here and kind of light up that area. So I kept it here because it looked nice. This light here is also kind of catching some light and bouncing it back in through the windows. But really the reason I put it here is so when you're looking through the camera, you don't see the warehouse and everything in the background. It just provides like a nice white background that the retouchers then can cut out the windows. And my microphone died, but I was basically saying that it's a little easier for the retouchers to cut out from the windows if this white B flat is there. So next we have this other Profoto D1 in a large softbox. This is a 3.5 foot by 4.5 foot-ish softbox, double diffused, obviously not gridded. This provides light on the front of the set, kind of from sort of the camera angle. Just nice soft light that would probably be bouncing in maybe from another window that's over here. So that's what this light is doing. Then through these doors, we have another light. That's this light right here. This is a Profoto D1 as well, bare bulb. This is just bouncing off of this white wall here, creating this nice ball gradient of light. And then I have this black flag here, just so you don't get any hard light from this light going in through the windows and creating hard light on the back. I want this to be just a nice interior soft light. And then back here is pretty much our camera angle. We are using a Canon 5D Mark IV. This is a 24-105 lens parked at 30 millimeters. And then our camera settings are f9, ISO 400, and 1/200th of a second.